Welcome to the complete guide on your path to sales leadership. Whether you're just starting your sales career or looking to advance to the executive level, this video breaks down all 6 levels of sales positions, from entry-level sales representative to vice president of sales. You'll learn what skills and achievements you need at each stage to move forward. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for climbing the sales career ladder. Let's start at level 1, sales representative. This is the entry point for most sales careers. As a sales representative, your main job is to find new customers and close deals. You'll learn the fundamentals of sales, including how to prospect, qualify leads, and manage the sales pipeline. You'll also handle customer objections and develop basic negotiation skills. Most sales representatives focus on hitting monthly and quarterly sales targets while learning from senior team members and managers. Moving to level 2, senior sales representative. After 1 to 2 years of strong performance, you can advance to this role. As a senior sales representative, you'll handle larger, more complex deals than entry-level reps. You'll work on longer sales cycles and manage relationships with bigger accounts. Beyond closing deals, you'll mentor newer sales representatives, sharing your techniques and helping them improve. You'll also start analyzing sales data and providing feedback on market trends to your manager. Now we reach level 3, sales manager. This is your first true leadership role. As a sales manager, you shift from individual sales performance to leading a team of 5 to 15 sales representatives. Your focus becomes hiring the right people, training them, and helping them meet their targets. You'll conduct regular one-on-one meetings with team members, manage performance reviews, and create coaching plans. You'll also forecast team revenue, manage budgets, and report to upper management. This role typically requires 2 to 4 years of success as a senior sales representative. Level 4 is regional sales manager. Once you've proven yourself as a sales manager, you can step up to oversee multiple locations or regions. A regional sales manager typically manages 5 to 10 sales managers and their teams, which means you're leading 50 to 150 sales representatives indirectly. Your responsibilities include setting regional sales strategy, ensuring consistent performance across all locations, and identifying top talent for promotion. You'll also represent your region at corporate meetings and help develop regional marketing initiatives. Level 5 brings you to Director of Sales. At this level, you set company-wide sales strategy and build the overall sales structure. You'll lead the entire sales organization, overseeing multiple regional managers and setting revenue growth initiatives. A Director of Sales owns sales budgets and forecasts for the whole company. You'll manage the sales operations team, work closely with the C-suite to align sales with company goals, and drive organizational alignment across all departments. Most directors spend 4 to 6 years at this level before potentially moving to vice president. Finally, level 6 is vice president of sales. This is the peak of sales leadership. As VP of sales, you lead the entire sales organization and drive enterprise-wide revenue growth. You shape long-term market strategy and represent sales at the C-level executive table. You own all sales budgets and targets, directly shape corporate strategy, and build board-level relationships. The VP of Sales reports to the Chief Revenue Officer or the Chief Executive Officer. This role requires deep expertise, strategic vision, and strong executive presence. So how do you advance through these levels? There are 2 main categories of success factors. First are performance metrics. You need consistent quota achievement above 120%. You should maintain strong deal closing ratios, excellent customer retention rates, and demonstrate year-over-year revenue growth. Second are leadership qualities. As you advance, you'll need adaptability and resilience to handle challenges. You should develop coaching and mentoring abilities to help others succeed. Strategic thinking becomes critical, and you must excel at cross-functional collaboration with marketing, operations, and customer success teams. Remember, success at each level requires mastering your current role before pursuing promotion. The key is to focus on results while developing people. Early in your career, concentrate on hitting your individual sales targets and learning everything you can from experienced salespeople. As you move into management, shift your focus to developing your team's skills and capabilities. The best sales leaders are those who can balance individual achievement with team success. Success in sales leadership isn't just about hitting numbers. It's about building strong teams, driving positive culture, and creating lasting impact on your organization. Thank you for watching this complete guide to sales leadership. You now have a clear understanding of all 6 levels in a sales career and what it takes to advance through each one. Start by focusing on execution in your current role, develop others through mentoring, build strong relationships across your organization, and think strategically about how your work contributes to larger company goals. Whether you're just starting as a sales representative or working toward the VP level, remember that every great sales leader started exactly where you are now. Stay committed, keep learning, and your path to sales leadership will become clear. Good luck.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.